Hi everyone, Ms. Burbeck here, teaching math from the shower. I hope you had a great weekend and enjoyed the sunshine. And this week we're going to continue working on fractions as tenths and hundredths. If you have any questions throughout the week, you can send me a comment in Google Classroom or have your parents send me a message on Dojo or on email. So we're going to get started. If you'd like to follow along, this problem is on 523 in your Ready Math book. You can pause and go get your book, or you can follow along here. Our problem today says Carmen has 4/10 of a dollar. Troy has 50/100 of a dollar. Together, what fraction of a dollar do they have? The important information I see is that Carmen has 4/10 of a dollar. I see that Troy has 50/100 of a dollar. And the question that I see being asked is, together, what fraction of a dollar do they have? Because it's asking what fraction they have together, that indicates to me that we're going to be adding. Sorry friends. The information that I see here is that Carmen has 4/10 of a dollar and that Troy has 50/100 of a dollar. Now, if I want to add those two numbers together, I'm running into a problem. If I take 4/10 and add it to 50/100, my problem is my denominators aren't the same, right? We cannot add fractions that do not have the same denominator. So this is not going to work. In order to allow us to actually add these fractions correctly, we're going to have to make them have the same denominator. Last week when we looked at tenths and hundredths, we could see that 10/100 was the same as 1/10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Carmen's 4/10 of a dollar, and I want it to have a denominator of 100. What do I have to multiply 10 by to get 100? Hopefully we thought 10. So I'm going to do 10 times 10 equals 100. Then I have to multiply the top by 100 as well. Oops, top by 10 as well. Excuse me, we're not multiplying by 100. 4 times 10 equals 40. So now we know that Carmen's 4/10 is equivalent to 40/100. Now we have 50/100 from Troy and 40/100 for Carmen, and we can add those together to get our solution. So if I add 40/10, 40/100 plus Troy's 50/100, we know that we get 40 plus 50 is 90, and we carry our denominator across the bottom because it stays the same. We know that they have 90/100 of a dollar. I want to make sure that my answer is correct. I want to justify my thinking, so I'm going to go ahead and try it on this model as well. So if I start with Troy having 50/100, I know that this row is 10, and this row is 10, and this row is 10, and this row is 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50/100. And then I know that Carmen has 4/10. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I want to take her 4/10, remember that 4/10 is equivalent to 40/100ths. I can go ahead and take her 4/10 and turn them into hundredths up here. Here's 10/100ths, 20/100ths, 30/100ths, 40/100ths of $1. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 100ths. Oops, and all. So we know that our answer is 90/100ths from down here and 90/100ths from up here. I hope this video is helpful. If you need anything at all, go ahead and send me a message. I look forward to seeing your work this week, and I hope you have a great week. Bye!